The world of publishing has just hit a major milestone. EPUBs are no longer a thing of the past. In fact, it's the future. But what does it mean for authors, publishers, and readers alike? Well, let's dive into the trend that's got everyone talking. Your EPUB is fine. The rise of digital publishing has been a game changer for the industry. With the help of EPUBs, authors can now reach a wider audience, and readers can access their favorite books in a more convenient format. But what's interesting is that the ePub format is here to stay, and it's not just about convenience. It's about accessibility. Did you know that in 2023, over 50% of Americans have read an ebook? That's a significant number, and it's only growing. With the rise of e-readers and tablets, people are looking for more flexibility in how they consume their content. And that's where ePubs come in. So, what does it mean for authors and publishers? Well, for one, it means that you don't have to worry about formatting your work for different devices. With